In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Mixpanel password. We're going to walk through the exact path inside Mixpanel to request a password reset using the built-in personal settings. This is quick, clear, and doesn't require you to hunt around different pages. Start by opening Mixpanel in your browser and signing into your workspace. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see the settings area there, typically represented by a gear icon. That's the entry point for account-related options. Move your cursor over the settings area to reveal the menu. Hovering is important because some options are tucked away until you place your cursor there. When the menu appears, select Personal Settings. This takes you to your account page where you manage details like your name, email, and password. On the Personal Settings page, locate the Password section. It's usually grouped under Account, and it's clearly labeled so you know you're in the right place. In that section, you'll notice a small pencil icon. The pencil is the universal edit control in Mixpanel for fields you can change. Click the pencil icon to start the password update process. As soon as you click it, Mixpanel sends a password reset email to the address associated with your account. You should see an on-screen confirmation letting you know the email is on its way. Keep Mixpanel open while you check your inbox so you can return easily if you need to. If you don't see the message after a minute or two, refresh your inbox, check your junk or spam folders, and confirm you're looking at the correct email account tied to Mixpanel. Many teams also use security filters, so if you're on a corporate network, your IT tools might delay delivery briefly. A couple of helpful notes for context. If your organization uses single sign-on, your password may be managed by your identity provider, and Mixpanel will still guide you appropriately. Also, when you do receive the reset email, the link typically expires after a short window for security, so it's best to act promptly. For a strong update, plan a long, unique password you haven't used elsewhere, and consider using a reputable password manager to store it safely. That's all there is to it. You went to Mixpanel, opened the settings menu in the bottom left, hovered to reveal options, chose personal settings, went to the password section, clicked the pencil icon, and Mixpanel sent the reset email. Thanks for watching, and you're now set to manage your Mixpanel password with confidence.